No matter where you work, whether in a factory or someone's home, it is essential that you avoid working on or near live conductors. This is a requirement of the Electricity at Work Regulations, 1989. And it's much more than just about switching off. It's also about preventing the supply from being inadvertently reconnected by someone else, possibly with you on the other end. It's also about verifying that the circuit or equipment you're working on is actually dead before you start. Martindale provide two great safe isolation kits. One for voltages rated up to 600 volts and the other for voltages up to 1000 volts. The comprehensive kits both offer a complete solution for safe isolation and include the Martindale industry standard voltage indicators, proving devices and a comprehensive range of MCB isolation locks. The VI series of voltage indicators are ideal for safety critical applications due to their simple design. They're safe because they're simple, with no switches or ranges to select and no batteries required. The proving units match the full voltage range of the voltage indicators to ensure they're working correctly. With these kits, safe isolation is easy. Switch off and then lock off with a suitable circuit breaker attachment and padlock. Where screwdriver space is restricted, the miniature lock 10 and lock 11 can be easily clipped into place without the need of a tool. Both kits also include a multi-hasp lock, enabling a number of people to work on equipment at the same time and securely manage isolation. The voltage indicator is then checked on the supplied proving device. The equipment being worked on can then be checked for dead, first between phases and earth, then between phases for three-phase systems, then between phases and neutral, and finally between neutral and earth. The voltage indicator must then be checked again on the proving device. And if it's okay, we can trust that the equipment to be worked on is dead. Simple and secure.